पब्लिक स्कूल में मनाया गया आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव। डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल में आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव आज मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय के छात्र छात्राओं ने देश के अमर शहीदों को याद करते हुए अनेक कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किए, जिसमें मुख्य रूप से गांधी जी के द्वारा चलाए गए नमक सत्याग्रह को लघु नाटिका के द्वारा प्रदर्शित किया गया। विद्यालय के बच्चों के द्वारा दांडी मार्च की अद्भुत एवं मनोहर प्रस्तुति की गई। अपने ओजस्वी भाषण में विद्यालय की प्राचार्य श्रीमती स्नेहा ने कहा कि शहीदों के किए गए उपकार को हमें कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए। साथ ही अमर शहीदों के सपनों को पूरा करना हमारा परम दायित्व है। उन्होंने राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी तथा पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री को उनके अविस्मरणीय योगदान के लिए याद किया। विद्यालय के छात्राओं ने संगीत शिक्षक अजित आर्या के मार्गदर्शन में गांधी जी का पसंदीदा भजन वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे गाया गया। छोटे बच्चों ने गांधी जी तथा उनके 3 बंदर बनकर लोगों को सत्य और अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया। धन्यवाद ज्ञापन विद्यालय के वरिष्ठ शिक्षिका निधि झा के द्वारा किया गया।
आजादी का विश्वास था। With this beautiful thought, good morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Ansh Kumar Chaudhary, our Standard 10th Dean, is present before you to glorify the identity of a person for whom I don't think that I have enough words. When India was a colony of Great Britain, at that point of time, a physically weak man born in small town of Porbandar in the Indian state of Gujarat had revolutionized the whole political scene of India. When colonialists like Robert Clive had brought their rotten boros in India and were trying to plunder the resources of India, at that point of time a leader had dared to look into the eyes of so-called Nobel laureates who had added the word loot into their dictionary as well as in their habits. Today we are going to celebrate 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This 2nd October is unique in itself because it does not host the birth of only one leader, but it hosts the birth of 2 leaders. The second leader is Lal Bahadur Shastri, the former Prime Minister of India. If Mahatma Gandhi had met independent India from the Britishers, then Lal Bahadur Shastri had met independent India from 19, when there were no communication systems available. At that point of time, this man had agitated Indians on the basis of nationalism. But today it is not possible for any of us to agitate people on the basis of nationalism. We can easily do it on the basis of religion, caste, but for nationalism it is literally impossible. We are living in Amrit Kal. This Amrit Mahotsav program was started by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The main aim of this program is to make India Atmanirbhar and self-reliant. So let us take the pledge to make and fulfill this dream of our Prime Minister as well as this same dream word of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So please repeat after me. We pledge to make India developed and self-reliant by 2047. Remove any trace of colonial mindset. Celebrate our heritage. Strengthen unity and respect those who protect the country. Perform the duties of a citizen. Students, stand at ease. Thank you.
Today, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti and anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, which is on 2nd October. Since unfortunately that day is a holiday, so the celebration is observed today. I congratulate Panini House for organizing this special assembly in a very special way. Let us give a big round of applause to Panini House as well as to all the teachers who are involved in arranging a short program from the junior wing. The great personalities are remembered forever. Mahatma Gandhi was a simple boy like the students of our school. But the strong determination and great patriotism which he had, he discovered that. And today we are living in a free nation. Because of his contribution, because of his leadership, because of his all the strong movements which one of the movements the Panini House has presented here. Children, great personalities are born, and it is within every one of you. Only one thing is just know yourself, know your potential, and you will be remembered forever as we remember Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi every day, every moment. Since it is a holiday on 2nd October, but we will be celebrating a short program on that day too in the school. So all those who could manage to come to commemorate the day, you are most welcome. I thank each student who took patience to stand in this humid weather and become a part of this assembly. I thank one and all who get involved in arranging music and drama and short acts. So once again a big congratulations to all of you. A movement started by Narendra Modi we are observing. The week is going on for that. We are doing different activities. That is all being observed. And it should not be stopped by the end of 2nd October. The movement must go on. We must do small activities every day and remember the contribution of our great leaders. That patriotism must be within us every moment of our life. Thank you. God bless you all.